Hey guys, it's R.V.C. here, and I'm back again with another video. Today, we're checking out the OnePlus 7T in 2026, but this time, it's running LineageOS 23, based on Android 16. So the real question is this phone still usable today? Let's start with performance. The Snapdragon 855 Plus is definitely old, but with LineageOS 23, the phone feels smooth and responsive. Apps open fast, animations are clean, and there's zero bloatware. For daily use, social media, YouTube, browsing, it still handles everything well. Now let's talk about software and features. LineageOS 23 brings a completely rewritten camera app. The UI is cleaner, performance is better, and you now get support for Ultra HDR and RAW plus JPEG photo capture. So if you're into photography, this is a big upgrade over the old stock experience. There are also new charging controls. You can manage how the phone charges, limit charging levels, and reduce battery stress, which is perfect for an older device like this. Speaking of battery, with a healthy battery, you can still get a full day of moderate use. And thanks to LineageOS, background apps are better controlled, so standby drain is lower. Now the downsides. No 5G, no official OnePlus support, and installing a custom ROM does require some tech knowledge. So, is the OnePlus 7T usable in 2026? If you already own it, yes, absolutely. LineageOS 23 makes this phone feel new again. But if you're buying one today, only go for it if the price is really low. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.